Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is the Monday Crochet Chat video. So go ahead and grab you something to drink. I am drinking good old black coffee this morning. This is so good. Today I have a Starbucks vanilla, I don't know if it's just vanilla coffee. I'd have to look at the package again. But this was a gift to me, this coffee, and from one of you subscribers. So thank you so much for that. I am loving it. So yeah, I'm still drinking on that, and it's very good. So yeah, I'd like to go ahead and say thank you to everyone for all of the beautiful cards and stuff that I have received in the mail. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. And all of the comments and things like that I received, the emails. I've received a few emails, not that many, but a few. And I just want to let you guys know how much I appreciate you. I want you guys to know how much that means to me and how you're making it so much easier on me to come back and talk about my crochet and things like that. I just want you to know how much appreciative I am. Let's see, the other thing is, oh yeah, I've reached my 20K. Oh my gosh. And I'm very excited about that. Thanks to you guys. So there will be a giveaway. Just let me try and figure out what I can scrounge up. And I'll try and do a giveaway video either this week or next week. And yeah, so let me see what I can do about that for you guys, because without you guys I couldn't be there, right? So yeah, let me show you guys what all I've been up to. So let me take another drink real quick. I want you guys to know this coffee smells awesome. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. And my whole house seems like it, or this part of my house here seems like it just all has this vanilla aroma flavor coffee. It is amazing. Okay, so first of all, I have this card. So let me show you the video clip. I received this card from Barbara. Thank you so much, Barbara. She is actually from Florida, and she's visiting Pennsylvania for her grandson's 2nd birthday. So happy birthday to him. She said that when she goes back to Florida, she's going to be crocheting on an Amtrak train on her way back. And I just thought that was so cool. But thank you, Barbara, for this. I kind of think it may have been in my P.O. box for a little while. And I apologize that I did not get notification of this. But I'm so glad you sent this. And it was really cool keeping up with you. I can just kind of picture you on that train, just crocheting away and just having fun with your little grandson. So thank you for that, Barbara. So yeah, so thank you, Barbara, for that so much. I appreciate this. And like I said in the video, sorry I'm late. I have some more happy mail, and this is from Doris Rose Cottage Studio. So let me show you guys the video on this. Okay, and I got some happy mail. This is from Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you so much, Doris. She gave me this, sent me this little hook case, and look at that. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And a couple of these Crochet Society hooks, this pin, and this right here zips, and it's got some stitch markers in there, which I love, a tape measure, a pair of scissors, and then the back side is more space to put more stuff, and you can put some stuff in here. Yeah, it's very nice. Thank you so much, Doris. I love this. And I can actually use this now. My hook case is overflowing. So I'm pretty excited to get this. So thank you so much, Doris. So the next thing that I have to show is a video clip showing this right here off. So let's take a look at that. All right, so the other kit that I received is the Annie's Love to Crochet Kit Club. This is a monthly subscription. And this is what I got, and I just think that is so cool. I think that'd be kind of fun to work up, and I may actually use that. But it's a stitch sampler carry-all. If you don't know about Annie's, they are a monthly subscription, and I don't know how many subscription kits they actually offer, but I mean, it's all kinds of stuff. I don't know. They got stuff, science for kids. They have kits, wood kits, you name it. Sewing kits, fabric kits, yarn kits, crochet kits, knit kits, you name it. But I do have a referral link that I will leave below if you're interested. And I believe that right now, it's 50% off your first kit. So I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is the one that I received in the mail for June. My one for July and for the next few months are put on hold. So I won't be getting the next few months. So sorry I won't be able to show those off to you guys. But maybe I'll get this worked up. So far I've been able to keep all of the Love to Crochet kits actually crocheted and done for you so you guys can see the finished products. So I'll try and get onto this as soon as I can. My total for these kit clubs for this one is with shipping and handling and with sales tax, $28.40 is what I pay. And like I said in the video, I am like an affiliate with Annie's, and so I do get a commission if you purchase just that one-time purchase on your kit, any kit or any merchandise or anything with them. So I just wanted to tell you how much I appreciate that, and because this really truly is a kit that I believe in with Annie's. One of the things that I like is not only do I get, you know, a nice top pattern here. I just couldn't get that out. But I also get, or you also get, like a left and right-handed video tutorial. So to me, it's worth the money because I'm paying to get this professional tutorial. My pattern is on file forever as long as I can get into my account. And then I have this copy here. So I can always download the pattern to my computer, put it on a flash drive or something, and I'll always have it. I don't have to worry about this getting lost in the shuffle with other patterns. So that's one of the reasons why I like Annie's kits so much. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this right here, this universal throw. So let's take a look at this. So the next thing I have is a Mary Maxim kit. This is the quarterly crochet Afghan kit. It comes every 3 months, and it's like $29.99, $4.99 shipping. I pay $34.98 for this every 3 months. Actually, this is my last one for now. I've put my all my subscriptions on hold temporarily, and so I'm glad that this last one here is very pretty. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So let me take one of these out of the bag. It's going to be nice. It says it's Universe Orlana, 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. Look at that, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? Ew. And it's so soft, too. Let's see how many yards are in here. The color is Y537.1161. Whatever that is. It's a 1 superfine. Made in Turkey. 505 yards. So, yeah, it's really pretty, guys. Very pretty. And sparkling. And you can see the sparkles through the camera. That's really cool. But it's going to make this pretty universal throw. It's going to be 42 by 56. That's what it says. So I am really looking forward to this. And I have a little bag to keep it all in. Nice and safe. Okay, guys. Let's do our 365 days of prayer. Okay, it says, bearing gifts. There are varieties of gifts, but the same Spirit. And there are varieties of ministries, and the same Lord. There are varieties of effects, but the same God who works all things in all persons. But to each one is given the manifestation of the Spirit for the common good. That's 1 Corinthians 12, 4 through 7. Wonderful one, you are the giver of all good things. You pour out your gifts to all in differing measures and in unique ways. I am thankful for the gifts you have deposited in me. I know that I did not get left out when you were deciding who gets what. Keep my heart from jealousy that would see another's gifts as more valuable than my own. Your love does not discriminate. Let my confident assurance in your character translate to confidence in who you've created me to be. I don't want to be anyone else. No, I want to come alive in who you have purposed me to become. Let me never forget how you delight in me. As I find my confidence in your spirit that fills me, let me see the beauty that you have put in others. I pray that I would value those with gifts and temperaments different from my own. You are Lord over all. You are the unifier. What gifts has God put in you to reflect his character to others? This is a really good one for us to ponder on and work on, because sometimes it really is hard to not be jealous of others' gifts. But as it says right there, keep my heart from jealousy that would see another's gifts as more valuable than my own, because we're all equal. Wasn't that good? That is really something to work on, or at least it is for me, because I do find myself feeling a little jealous of other people's gifts. I have a little dog right here. I keep feeling something moving my clothes back here. That's Abby. If you didn't know, Abby is named, actually my husband named her. She is named after one of my favorite TV series called Downton Abbey. And when she came along and we were trying to work on figuring out what kind of, what to name her, he said, well, let's name her Abby. And I was like, duh, okay. So she's Abbey. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for today's video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.